In LangMagic, we work with YouTube subtitles. As you play the video,
d'être fier de moi. Être là avec vous, ça me permet de repenser à ce jeune homme que j'étais et de me dire wow.
Subtitles will scroll and highlight the text that's being pronounced in the video. You can navigate the text using your mouse.
Mon invitation, c'est de dire qu'est-ce que je peux faire
or
qui me fait
using
flipper
keyboard
et qui
shortcuts.
peut...
When you make a selection of text, either by clicking and
Qui
dragging
nous?
or
Plusieurs.
double clicking, you can notice that computer-generated audio plays straight away, and also you have translation into multiple languages, which you can set up here. So the translation is good and fast, but the most important bit that we have is ChatGPT prompts. And they're present in the form of buttons.
Peut faire qui me fait.
Let's use explain button first to demonstrate. This just sends a request to ChatGPT and displays the answer, and you can see, as you can see, in a very minute detail, this phrase is explained. If you're not satisfied with the explanation, you can play with the prompt. Just click tooth wheel button and you will have like a simulation interface here. Here's the prompt that you can modify, and then you can click test my prompt, see the results, adjust the prompt, and then save to my prompts. Let's check another default prompt, which is called usage. Let me select a word.
Comment?
And I click usage. And you can see 3 example sentences where this word is used. You can easily modify this prompt again. It says give 3 examples in target language. And you can see that 3 examples in French, because our target language for this playlist is French, using the phrase comment, and that's the phrase we have selected, which is the phrase variable. And we can change it to 5. This is a simple modification. Then I test if it works, and I can see 5 examples. I save it to my prompts, return to the script, select another word,
Accompagner.
and try my new shiny prompt. As you can see, we will see 5 examples here now. There's a library of prompts here. You can try all of them, modify, or create your own. Also, you can save your selection.
Permettre en plus.
So you can access it later. And if you make multiple
Un truc ou mais.
selections in multiple videos, you can then navigate them in this save phrases section. And you will jump exactly to the moment of the video this section belongs to. As you probably noticed, when you save a word or phrase,
Accompagner.
it saves with a bit of text around it. And this text around your phrase is just a bit of subtitles, a bit random. So we have an option to modify this text, this context. But you can modify it, grabbing more text or sentences before and after the phrase. And then you save, and your saving is now extended. So when you repeat what you've saved, you have more context, and perhaps you can recall what you've saved, the meaning of a phrase or word that you've saved, without calling the dictionary. Now I've shown you the main features of the software. I want to come back to the playlist. So if you've selected a common language, we might have a preset playlist to start with. If it's not a common language, then you will have a blank screen. And you need to go to YouTube, find the video with subtitles in your target language, and then add. You can either add video by pasting a URL here, or install a Chrome extension, and when you're on YouTube, just click Chrome extension button and this video will be added to your playlist. When you create a playlist, you set up target and native language again, so you can learn multiple languages at the same time and by switching between playlists.